Alright, what do we got going on here? We have 4x cubed plus 12x squared minus x minus 3. And somehow we need to factor this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little rearranging here of terms. So let's write 4x cubed minus x plus 12x squared minus 3. Now let's take a look at this. If I factored out, let's factor an x out of this and see what happens out of these first two terms. Sometimes it's just a trial and error. So we have x times, in parentheses, 4x squared minus 1. Now let's factor out a 3 out of these next two terms, and we're going to be left with 4x squared minus 1. See that? Okay. What do we do now? Well, it's pretty easy from here. Right, as you can see, we have like terms here that we're going to factor out. So 4x squared minus 1 what are we left with? An x, that's this x here, plus the 3. See that? Okay, what do we got going on now? Well, we're not finished. We can factor this part. I'm going to rewrite this as 2x quantity squared minus 1 squared. Let's go ahead and put a parentheses around all that. And an x plus 3. So you're probably wondering, where's the binomial in this thing? Here we go. So we have 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Okay, that takes care of this part that we factored, and then we just rewrite because there's nothing more we can do with the x plus 3. Ain't nothing else. All right. So that's been completely factored. And just think, we started here. Ooh, that was a tricky one there. That's what you're going to see. Okay, we're over here. That's where we are. I got a crude website going. Hopefully I can add all these courses to it eventually. Alright, I'll check you out in the next section. I think we're working, what are we doing? Let's see, trinomials. Factoring trinomials in the next section.